What's going on, future entrepreneurs? We are back with another video, but we're talking about the COTPS system, our passive income and crypto side of the channel. Go ahead, guys, give me the LNS special. Hit the like and the subscribe button to help me get to 500 subs by the end of the month. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and read this disclaimer. This channel and the information included are not intended to serve as a substitute for financial consultation. Certain issues, concerns, and conditions always require the advice of appropriate legal professionals. Guys, come back, hit the pause button, hit rewind, slow it down, read the disclaimer all the way through if that's what you desire to do. But let's move along. Today we are going to be talking about the second account that I created with the COTPS system, which is a $20 account. And I'm only going to be making a video on this channel probably once per week because it's a small amount and it's not going to pick up as much steam as the other account, so it's not going to be showing a huge amount. But I'm just going to show you week by week what the account is doing, how it's going, and what kind of profits are we getting here. So let's, as you can see right now, the account is at $21, $22. So let's go right here. It's going to show the daily. This should be showing the daily profits, as you can see, 430 all the way up to 5.7. The number of orders has increased. Today is still in progress, so it's not completely yet. So you can see the first day was 4, the next day was 6, then we went to 17, then we went to 12, 12, 12, 12, and 4. So we're probably going to get 12 more today. And so we start off the first day profit of 10 cents. That was the day we had to go in and set it up. Probably in the first 2 days we just set it up, and the next couple of days after that's when it started to pick up a little bit of steam because there was not manual, someone coming in manually and pressing the button of these transactions. So after that we started to get 10 cents the first day, 10 cents the second day, 37 cents on the third day, 32 cents on the fourth day. The fifth day is about 34, fifth day is 34, sixth day is 34, and so far today we're at 12 cents. So as you can see, the system works. It's starting off, it's going to be small because it's a small amount, and this is just an account to show you if you were to put $20 in the account, how much would you have at the end of the week. Okay, let's pull up the statistics chart. And at the end of the first week, we're at $22, which is $2.20 profit out of the $19. I just do $2 divided by 22. Ooh, excuse me. Comes out to so on the week your account went up 10%. This is not money you can, if you put this money in a bank account or any other investments, you're probably not going to get this type of return at the end of the week, even with $20. Even though it doesn't seem like it's a huge return, ROI, or return on your investments, this is huge just for a $20 account to end up, a $19 account to end up with $22 at the end of the week. And I'll be back to report you guys the end of next week what the profit looks like. It'll probably be around $25, $26 profit every day. I have the iMacros bot running on this particular account, and my other account is run by the team bot, which is a little bit different. And both of those accounts are running on the running on the VPS. The VPS is what's powering both of them. I don't have to run them on my computer. I set them both up on the VPS, and yes, they are running simultaneously together. So it's two different bots running on my VPS at the exact same time, and they're not interfering with each other. That was something that I was thinking that may be a problem because one of the bots, the one for the team, it opens up the browser and it uses the Firefox browser, and it actually goes to the login. It goes to the login page for the COTPS site. It opens your account. It opens the browser. It logs you in, and it goes to the accounts level 1, level 2, and level 3 if you're referring, and it adds that to your account, and then it starts to do the transaction. On the iMacros, the iMacros doesn't add in your level 1, your level 2, and your level 3 referral commissions. It pretty much just does it, the order button right here. That's pretty much all the iMacros bot does. And you would have to come in manually yourself and click on the level 1, the level 2, and the level 3 to get those commissions added to this account. And why would you want to do that? Because that's going to make your account grow faster. That's why my account is going past the 3% mark, because I'm letting everything go directly to the wallet balance, and I'm letting it also compound with the 3% daily, and that's what's making my account grow faster than what it would normally grow if I would not add anything to the account. That's it, guys. Go ahead and give me the HBO special. Give me the Help a Brother Out special for more content. This account I'll be coming to do you once a week. This is the Passive Income Trucker.